Hey, wealth warriors, listen. Wealth doesn't start in your bank account, it starts in your mind. If you believe money is always like running out from you, slipping out from you, that's exactly how it will feel like. But if you see money as a tool or as something that can create opportunities, as well as freedom, create impact, you will start noticing that doors are opening everywhere. That's a Make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, because I've got some practical steps that you need to follow. Share this with your friends who needs it and drop a comment below. I want to hear your money mindset. Most of us, we grew up hearing these words like, things like money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are like selfish, Those are things that we've heard and stuff like that. We are just not like, I'm not just like that type of a person that can have wealth. Sound familiar, right? If this is honest with you, drop a comment. Those are limiting beliefs, colleagues, worth worries. And if you hold on to them, you are already putting a ceiling on your potential to create wealth. You got me right. Think of it like, like this. If you plant a good seed in a very toxic soil, they won't grow, definitely. They won't. Your mind is just like the soul. If it's fueled with doubt and negativity, it won't matter how hard you work, how much work you put in, you still feel stuck. That's why step one is to clear out those old beliefs. Here's what I want you to do for me. Flip those old beliefs around you. Instead of saying, I can't afford it, ask, what can I do to afford it? I mean, that's the right question. Instead of saying, money is evil, or like what others say, the root of evil. No, it isn't the root of evil. But remind yourself to say, money is neutral. It's a tool, How I use it is what matters. Instead of wealth, isn't for people like me, say, wealth is possible for me if I stay consistent with what I'm doing. That small shift in your language or in your mind will definitely change everything you think about money, wealth, and everything. So, wealth people don't think money is impossible, they think money is manageable. So, that's the mind you need to have. And that's the mindset you want to adopt, right? So, if you want to adopt that mindset, please have a quick pause. If this is making sense so far, drop a yes in the comment section right now and let me know you are with me and this message is resonating with you. So, mindset comes first, but habits bring it to life. Let's keep it real here. Wealth people are not always the smartest. Do you agree with me or not? Yes, they are not the smartest or the luckiest, but they do these simple things very consistently. And if you begin to do these things as well, trust me, your wealth mindset will change. They pay themselves first. Before spending, they save or even invest. Even if it's a small amount, it doesn't matter. It all starts from there. If we cannot manage small, how can we manage big? So they keep learning, podcasts rather, YouTube videos, books, paying for mentors. The more you grow, the better your decision gets. you know. So the rich, they give every dollar a job. They don't just let money. Imagine planting one tree today. A year from now, you have a shade. But listen, what will happen up to 10 years from now? 10 years from now, a whole forest, it will be like a forest. Wealth works the same way. The earlier you start, the stronger it grows. Okay, so, all right, now, it's your turn. It's your turn, wealth warriors. Here is what I want you to do today. Write down one money belief you are letting go of. Make sure you let it go today and drop it in the comment section. Replace it with a positive belief that supports your future. Forget about the older beliefs and stuff like that. Take one small step. Let's assume you begin to save a $5 or a $10. You're like a forest. Wealth works the same way. The earlier you start, the stronger it grows. Okay, so, all right, now, it's your turn. It's your turn, wealth warriors. Here is what I want you to do today. Write down one money belief you are letting go of. Make sure you let it go today and drop it in the comment section. Replace it with a positive belief that supports your future. Forget about the older beliefs and stuff like that. Take one small step. Let's assume you begin to save a $5 or a $10. Don't mind, no matter how small it is. Open a savings account or start researching a side hustle that you can invest your money in. Because wealth isn't an accident. You have to be very strategic. And wealth, colleagues, it's a choice. And you've got everything you need to start right now. You may ask yourself, what can I do? You have everything to start. Say this with me. Say this with me. I am worthy of wealth. I am capable of wealth. And I am building wealth step by step. You got it right now. Before you go, don't forget to comment below with the one belief you are changing today. Remember, I told you to share something you are going to let go today. Now, share this video with someone who may need it. All right? And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more tips on building, wealth and as well creating freedom. That's why in my book, Decade Thinking is very helpful to guide you step by step because your financial future is waiting. Go and make it happen right now. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned and connected. Shalom.